Hello everyone and welcome again to another time on the chat. So we're going to look at two things. This is a class to explain theory before daylight shift, which opens by the first week of November, and the change in daylight shift, which also happens by the second week of March. So we're going to look at January to, let's say, March. We're going to look at the strategy for November to the end of the year. So there's a difference between the both of them, and I want you to understand that very, very, very well, because we understand that most of the brokers you want to work with are Exnesys. Exnesys is a broker that uses GMT plus 0, which is the normal UTC. Meaning, if you're in Nigeria and your time is GMT plus 1, your charts will close 1 hour faster. What that means is your 12 o'clock is Nigerian time 1 o'clock. Why? Because GMT plus 1 is 1 hour faster than GMT plus 0. So considering that, the way you're going to look at your charts now will change. Now, when you look at your point of interest, it only happens at the close of the candle. Emphasis on the close of the candle. Why? Because when the candle has closed, you can know its true intention. Without intention, you cannot predict its forthcoming direction. So we're going to look at this now from January. So the way we trade when the daylight has not shifted plus 1, which is January or March to November, is we are looking at 3 hours and 4 hours. Meaning we are looking at 9 to 12 IPA or fair value gap, and we are looking at 8 to 12 IPA or fair value gap. Now, these two candles, these two time frames, they close at the same time, meaning 8 to 12 closes by 12, 9 to 12 closes by 12. So by that same 12, you're going to look at your 3 hours and your 4 hours. And if you have a IPA or fair value gap in those two time frames, you have a potential setup. This is what I explained to you earlier on in the class. So this is what you're trading. Then you're also trading 1 hour after the NYC bell. I'm going to explain this one to you now. I'll show you on chart every single thing I'm talking about. The NYC bell before daylight shift, which is the New Year and March area, is by 2:30 Nigerian time. So what that means is that by 3 o'clock, it has gone 30 minutes in price action. So from 2:30 open bell to 3 o'clock is 30 minutes. But we're going to be interested in from 2 to 3 as 1 hour candle. And we're going to look for fair value gaps in that 1 hour candle. That 1 hour candle is an indication of price intention. And the fill of that fair value gap is our entry and where we are taking our trade. So the same concept. So we're only taking two setups. Before the NYC bell, which is 3 and 4 IPA, which is 8 to 12 and 9 to 12. After the NYC bell, which is 1 hour, which is 2 to 3. What's happening? Okay, so let's go ahead.